Hello everybody, thanks for coming back to our videos. We're going to give you an update on where we're at with this go-kart. It's been a while, but lately we've been working on it. We now have headlights, and we're going to go ahead and we added this bracket here. We're going to put our solar panel here. We're going to have a solar panel, and that's going to go ahead and charge the battery for us. We painted it blue. My son picked the color, which I like. We're waiting on a new seat. We ordered that. We got brackets for the rear lights. We're gonna have blinkers, stoplight, the whole deal. And that's where we're at with the go-kart. We're just waiting on more parts. We'll keep you guys posted on our next video. And thanks for watching.